welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing good. Thank you for when I started it was at 5 subscribers. Currently it's at 16 subscribers. So the rest 11 people. Yeah, the new 11 people. Hi, welcome. Hope everybody's doing good. Cool. We're gonna move on to the video. For this video, it's kind of a really different kind of a thing. So basically, what's going to happen is that it's been going a lot on YouTube already. It's about sending a form to the people you've had a crush on and having them fill that form and then you reading the content. So when this idea came to my head, I thought that, oh my God, I'm gonna have so many people to send it to, like 50 people or something. But now when I made the list, I just have like 5 people to send it to. I'm not sure if I should be proud of it or not, but yeah, I think it's cool. So how also one thing to very like remember that this form thing is not new. Actually, this was already been done. I've done this before in terms of creating a form for people to apply to be in a relationship with me, kind of a thing. It happened back in January with Sarthak. So Sarthak, this is your debut on my channel. Hi. And I told him about it today, and he was like a little snippet of the kind of conversation that we had and his reaction to it. So go check it out. Cool. So now that you've seen that, you already know that it's not original because we are the people who literally co-founded the entire form thing. And yeah, people I'm sending it to, which I can't name right now because of the fact that I'm not very sure if these 5 people would want themselves to be named. So till the time they don't fill the form, I'm not sure if I can. So here's how the form looks like. It should be on my screen now. I'm just going to read out in terms of what's there on the form and what is going to happen now, like how am I going to send it to people. So yeah, it says to all the boys I've had a crush on, hi, thank you for being such a sport. If you're reading this, congratulations, I've had a crush on you. And trust me when I say this, I don't have it anymore, so it's all chill. Let's not get awkward, okay? Please fill the form below with brutal honesty. I assure you I can handle it now that I'm so mature. Especially now I'm being so mature. I'm not looking for anything from this, but just good quality content. Things I've already started doing for YouTube, even when it's not like a real thing for me just now. So yeah, moving forward, we have like, of course, the name. Did you know I had a crush on you? Yes, kinda no. If yes, how did you know? Did you like me back? No, bro. Yes, I'm not too sure. If you could go back in time, what would you do different? Because it's something that I added on my own, like a little spice. So I just kind of want to know if people like, I don't know. I just want to know if there could have been anything different if like when we had the chance. I'm not sure, but yeah, like I'm really excited to see what people would answer to this. I really hope they do it very honestly and they're like very vocal about it, which a lot of people in my life aren't. Anyways, so how much would you rate my personality? I just from 1 to 10 to yeah, and I'm really hoping for good score here because I think my personality is like bomb. But yeah, what terms are we currently on? So this one, because there are actually a few people that I literally talk to every day who are gonna get this form. So like, because I did have a crush, it's all past tense, right? And then we became friends. So from we don't talk anymore to chit chat every day. And then of course, any message that you like to give me or the people who might be watching this again. Like I wasn't sure if when this is going to happen because I've made this form like 5 days back. So yeah, this is how the form looks like. And now that you've seen that, how I'm gonna send it to is that I'm gonna take this link. I'm gonna put like a little message that'll say like, "Hi, hope you're doing well. Hope this message finds you well. This is a little something that I'm doing for a video, and it'd be really great if you could fill this. Thank you for being a sport. And if you do not want your name to be disclosed, please let me know by texting itself. But please do fill the form with pure honesty and things like that. And I'm going to DM it to them because of the fact that I don't want to WhatsApp people. I don't want to start conversations. This is not the time to do so. So I'm going to not WhatsApp it to them. I'm going to DM it to them. I'm hoping that all 5 of them fill it, but probably like in a day or two, I should have all the responses. So that's when I'm going to come back and we're going to read the form together. And then we're going to see how that turns out. Let's see how many of them knew that I have a crush on them. But again, the fact that there's just 5 people, again, which is not something sad. Like, I think it's absolutely okay to have 5 crush in like 22 years of your life. Absolutely fine. Out of which, okay, no, not saying anything else. Too much information that'll be. Like, that's how it's going to be. Here's to all the boys I've had a crush on. So let's get started. Hi guys, so we're here back after like a few days and I have all the responses here and I am so excited to read what they have said. So out of 5, 4 people have responded. One of the guys said that he cannot fill the form because of the fact that he cannot tell me about his feelings over a Google form. And yeah, like that's the reason he gave me. And I'm like, okay, cool, like I can't force somebody, right? So I was like, okay, fine. Although I did kind of try to pursue him, tell him that, okay, no, do it, but it didn't work out. So I was like, okay, fine, cool. And also I'm not allowed to tell his name, so I cannot because he's not given consent for that. But we have the rest of the forms here and I am so excited to read them. I've not read them and only I know the amount of courage it took for me to not read them the second they came in. But I have all 4 of them there. We're gonna go one by one. So I'm gonna start with the first one. Okay, here we go. Okay, the first one is from Rachit. Did you know I had a crush on you? Kinda. He's just been very modest. It was way too evident. Rubbish, huh? If yes, how did you know? We went out almost every day for a year, so it was pretty obvious, but then I had to wish her. Right. So I remember in 2015, this is back in 2015, me and Rachit met every damn day. Like I can't even emphasize on the fact, like literally every day of our life we met and we went out and we just like met every day, be it for going out to eat or going to chill or just randomly going to the gaming arcade. Or, like we just met literally. Imagine meeting somebody for an entire year and then he says that, oh, he didn't know. Nonsense. Did you like me back? Yes. Thanks. If you could go back in time, what would you do differently? I would not change anything. I guess how I would just change how we handle certain situations because it led to a lot of mess. Apart from that, everything was perfect. I think that's kind of true. It was really perfect and really sweet. How much would you rate my personality? It's a 9. Nice. What terms are we currently on? We don't talk anymore. Yeah, kind of sad. Any message you'd like to give to the people who might be watching this content? Just stay happy, aim for your goals because you had a list of things you wanted to do. Also live life. Actually, that's so sweet. But yeah, thank you so much for being such a sport, Rachit. For everybody who knows who he is, great. For people who don't, it's okay. He's just a really important part of my life. And cool. The second person is Aditya. Did you know I had a crush on you? No, this is also rubbish. He knew, he's just not accepting it. If yes, how did you know? I didn't. Lies, Aditya. Did you like me back? Yes. He's just been kind enough by writing this. The answer should be no, bro, but he's just been way too kind because he's a sweetheart. If you could go back in time, what would you do differently? TBH, nothing. I like the way things were. I probably not ditch you though. Oh my god, the number of times Aditya has ditched me, literally, it's impossible to make a plan with him because you probably would want to meet today and you guys would decide, okay, today's meeting, and literally 3 minutes before meeting him, something would end up and he would ditch you. Like, Aditya is that one person nobody here should make a plan with unless until he's the one who's making a plan with you. That also he'll end up ditching, huh, by the way. The only way to meet him is to meet him like out of the blue. Just go somewhere and meet him. Like just meet him where he's already there and just go there. But don't make plans with him. How much would you rate my personality? Yay, 10. Nice. What terms are we currently on? 9. That's a lie. because I chit chat every day. He just does not reply. Okay, third is Raghav. Did you know I had a crush on you? Kinda. Why do people not know that I have a crush on them? I am way too evident with things like this. If yes, how did you know? I wasn't sure until you said yes, but took a shot anyway. Plus, we held hands one in. Plus, we held hands on in my car. Okay, so this is back in class ninth. Yeah, it goes way back then. And yeah, like, how did you like me back? Yes. If you could go back in time, what would you do differently? It was all good for our age. I think is way too right. Like we were so young back then. Like I think there was nothing we could have changed. And yeah, how much would you rate my personality? 10. We don't talk anymore. Like yeah, we don't. But yeah, cute. Okay, then we have the next and last and the final guy. His name is Snehil. Did you know I had a crush on you? No. What is wrong with people in my life? How can they not know I am such a loud person? I'm such a evident person. Everybody apart from these people knew I had a crush on them, except these people, and nobody has said that, oh yeah, I knew I had a crush. If yes, how did you know? I didn't until we went for the date. Yeah, I didn't. Oh wait, I didn't until you said yes. If yes, how did you know? I didn't until you said yes for the date. Oh yeah, so Snehal asked me for the cutest date ever, and of course I said yes because I really liked him back then. Do you like me back? Yes. These are all lies, guys. These guys are just way too cute to not say bad things, anything. But I don't know why everybody's been so kind. Could go back in time, what would you do differently? Stay back home a little bit longer with you and a few more jamming sessions in my car. They've always been my favorite memory. Oh, thanks, Nehal. How much did you rate my personality? 10. Yeah. What terms are we currently on? We kind of don't talk, but then we sometimes like. Any message you would like to give me / the people who might be watching this content? Keep shining like you always did, and I really miss you. Thanks, Nihil. That really means a lot. But yeah, okay, so this was it. These were the 4 responses, and trust me, I've had so much fun doing this. I kind of want to see the summary. So about 50% people kind of knew that I had a crush on them, and 50% did not know that I have a crush on them, which is very weird because I thought all of them are going to say yes. And then all 4 of them liked me back. How sweet, you guys. Crazy. Thanks. Cool. So this was it. These were the 4 people who were such a sport. Thank you so much for being such a sport. And honestly, guys, thank you so much for being a part of my life, because I think I'm a very firm believer of we're the sum total of the people we meet and the experiences we have. And I think these people have played a very important role in shaping me for who I am today. And I've had some really good memories with everybody here, and I still have with like a lot of people. So yeah, just that. And yeah, that was all for this video. If you enjoyed, then thank you so much. Hope you stay tuned for the next one, and this is me signing off.